I've got lots of questions from people on my channel asking how I was able to get a 6-month Schengen visa as an international student in the United Kingdom. I'm going to share with you guys in full details how I applied and I was able to secure a 6-month visa compared to people getting just 3 months. Some people get as low as 1 month visa when they apply for the Schengen visa. So I'm going to share with you guys all the details in this video. So if it's to interest you, don't go anywhere, keep watching till the end. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Daniel. I currently reside in the UK and I share videos around traveling abroad. So if you're looking for a place to get first-hand information, trust me guys, you're in the right place. Click on the red subscribe button below to join the amazing growing family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love, thank you for being here. I really do appreciate you guys. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. If you currently have a resident permit in the United Kingdom, you are allowed to apply for a Schengen visa to be able to move into the Schengen areas. Now the Schengen areas, entails quite a number of countries that you can move into with the Schengen visa. Now this is one thing you need to know if you are clueless about the whole Schengen application, is that if you apply for a Schengen visa, you can apply it to through different countries in the Schengen area, and with that Schengen area they give you something called Schengen. That is, you can use that visa to enter into any of the Schengen area. So you can apply to Spain and get the Schengen visa from Spain to move to go to France, to go to every other Schengen countries. Now personally I advise people, if you're trying to get a Schengen area, it covers so many countries, and some of the countries that you can use the Schengen visa to go to include Austria, Belgium, Denmark, Estonia, Finland, France, Germany, Greece, and all of those stuff. And many people that apply for this visa end up getting like 3 months. At least a couple of my friends that applied in the last 3 months, or in the last 6 months, yeah, they all got just 3-month visa. However, when I applied, I got 6-month visa. I'm going to tell you what I did and how I was able to achieve that. And one thing I also advise people, if you're planning to apply for a Schengen visa, please try, and if you're watching this video this year 2023, try and apply through France. Now France is like one of the easiest countries to apply for Schengen, and aside from that, the other benefit that comes with applying through France is that if you apply through France, and let's probably the first application you got 3 months, if you apply the second time they probably give you 6 months, and after the second time they give you 2 years Schengen visa, compared to other European Union countries like Spain. My friends, first time they applied, I think they gave her just 10 days to go and come back. But when I applied for the first time with France, I was given 6 months. And if you're planning to apply, this, what you can see on the screen is the application page for applying for this visa. I'm going to put the link in the description also, so you can also click on it and apply on your own. I didn't contact any immigration or any agency to apply for this. I did it all by myself from the comfort of my bedroom. Now if you plan to apply for the Schengen visa, you must ensure that your current resident permit in the UK is valid for the next 3 months. If it's valid for less than 3 months, your application will be denied immediately. They won't even bother considering your application. So ensure that it's valid for more than 3 months before you apply. Some of the documents you need to apply for the Schengen area includes, the first one is your valid passport. Now, your valid passport must have been issued within the last 10 years. So also ensure that your passport is not going to expire anytime soon. I remember when I wanted to apply the first time, my passport was going to expire in 2 months. So I was told that I wasn't eligible to apply. I had to wait until I renew my passport, and it must be issued within the last 10 years. And must also have enough space, obviously, on your passport to be able to apply. The second document is a valid UK resident permit or any other form of identity card. That's the second document you need before you can apply for a Schengen visa in the UK. Another document you need is proof of travel arrangement. Now for proof of travel arrangement, it's basically a flight ticket. So you need to provide a flight ticket before you even start your application. That's why before I go into the I'm going to show you a video or show you how you can go about applying. However, you need to ensure you have all these documents with you before you start your application. So you need to have a return ticket to show your itinerary, your flight details. So you need to do that. You can do that on booking.com. Just go for go for a flight that as free cancellation. So even if you need to pay like probably £200 for the flight, you should have option of you cancelling the flight if there's a need for you to reschedule your traveling. Now the next document you need to have is the Schengen insurance, travel insurance, Schengen travel insurance. I think I did this for just £30. I'm also going to put the link of that in the description of this video. So you need to have a travel insurance. I did this for 30 euros. Was it 30 euros or £30 for 1 year? So I currently have a travel insurance for 1 year. So it was just for a very small amount of money. The next document you need to have is your account statement. Now for your account statement, you need to have at least £55 per person per day for the period of you applying for or for the period of you staying in any of the Schengen area. So if you're planning to stay in Schengen area, let's say you're planning to get a visa of, let's say planning to stay there for like 10 days, you need to have at least £55 per day. That's £550 in your bank account for a period. However, personally I would advise that you leave at least £1,000 in your account for like 3 months, before you apply. So if you're applying in January, make sure that you have an account statement from September to December, and the minimum balance in that account statement should not be less than £1,000. These are some of the things they look out when they are actually giving you the visa. Now another document you need to provide, now this depends on your status in the UK. If you're an international student, you need to provide a letter from your university evidencing that you're still a student, and that letter must also show the duration of your program. If you're currently working in the UK, you need to provide a letter from your employer showing that you are currently an employee in that organization. So you need to ensure you provide all of these documents. Now another document you need to have or provide if you're planning to apply for a Schengen visa is the evidence of your hotel booking. So you need to go on booking.com and book for an hotel. This is quite easy. Just go for hotels that have free cancellation and probably zero deposits, and just apply, book your hotel for a particular duration and print out the documents. So these are the documents you need to have with you at hand before you even start your visa application. Now, so let's go right into the application itself. If you're planning to apply for the Schengen visa, the screen you're looking at there is where you can apply. As I said, the link will be in the description. You need to fill in your last name, your first name, your email address, and confirm your email address. Then you create an account. So you need to create an account on this page for applying for your Schengen visa through France. Now, after you've been able to create your account, you'll be brought to this page you can see on the screen where they welcome you to France visas and all of those stuff. Now, it's important for you to know that if you apply for this visa, you apply for a tourist visa, a short stay less than 90 days visa as a tourist. Now, you have different options that shows, do you need a visa? Obviously, you need a visa if you're planning to apply as an international student in the UK. You have the option to start your visa application, submit your application, and track your application. So, but because of what we're planning to do now is to start a visa application, you click on the start your visa application, and it will take you to where the application form is, where you need to fill all the details. Now this is what the application form looks like. As you can see on the screen, these are all the information that you'll be asked to fill in. You'll be asked to fill in so many information: your flight itinerary information, your hotel booking reference, the address of the hotel, and all of those information that what you'll be filling in this particular application page. Now, after completing the application page, then you'll be directed to book appointments. Now, as at December 2022, it's been difficult getting appointment dates for France visa. Now, but this has changed in January 2023. Now it's quite easier now to get an appointment date. So you choose an appointment date and you travel. Now in the UK, I think they've got like 4 centers. I think in Birmingham, I think in London, Edinburgh, and one other center. Now choose the nearest location to you and go for your biometrics. Ideally, it takes about 14 days to get your visa decision or visa approval, but for me it took me about 10 days to get my own decision, and the total amount of money I spent for the whole application was less than £100. So that's all you need to know about applying for a Schengen visa in the United Kingdom. So if you have any question, please state in the comment section. I'm going to be waiting there to respond to every question asked as regards the Schengen visa application. And if you find this video useful, so please click on the like button. If you are coming across my channel for the very first time, I don't know what you're waiting for. Click on the red subscribe button below to join the amazing growing family. And for my returning subscribers, thank you guys for the love. I really do appreciate you guys. So this will be the end of this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.